Hey guys, this is Sanjay from Airstrip.ai. So this is a demo video. I just wanted to show you how our app works, the features that we have, and show you how it might be useful to your business. So here you can see a setup guide. Right now I finished the first step, which is to provide more context about our business. So I've done this through documents. I've uploaded documents about our business plan, documents containing features, services we provide, pricing, all those stuff. So that is done. I'll go ahead to the next step, which is to create a new document. I'll go ahead and browse some documents that we have. So here these are the documents that we have. We have put all of these into groups. So there is 4 documents in hiring. These are for policies and terms. These are for confidentiality and non-disclosure, all those things. Right now I'll go ahead and create a master service agreement. So basically here it will say what a master service agreement is, the benefits of having a master service agreement, and I guess right now you all already might have the terms, all those stuff planned out. So you can click on create document. These are the basic details that you need to have in order to start creating the document. So the start date is already applied. Here is the client information who is going to receive the master service agreement. I'll just click on fill in an example which says Sunshine Boutique, a basic boutique business which provides accessories, clothing, all those stuff. If you want to add extra information, you could click on this and add extra information, but I don't need to. I'll just remove that, and you could click on prepare document. Okay, so here once you click on create document, it will start generating some personalized questions for this particular document and the terms that you have already given. So here it has the first question that it asks me is what services I provide. So these are totally personalized. It doesn't simply ask what services we provide. It asks what services will TaskBuddy provide to Sunshine Boutique, and also gives a proper example. It says it will provide a user-friendly task management platform, AI-driven task prioritization. So these stuff we have already added as context to Airstrip.ai about our business. So it already has that. So I'll go ahead and click on the suggestions, which is basically through the context it already knows that these are the answers that would work best for this particular document. So I've added that. I'll go ahead and click on payment terms. How will Sunshine Boutique be billed? It already says will be billed on a monthly basis. So I'll just go ahead and click on monthly subscription. All these I'll also review them just to make sure that they're accurate. So it says will be charging them a subscription, and it didn't mention the price. So I'll say the price is $50 a month, and additional service charge as well as late payment policies. So this is the basic answer that we have provided. This is the same for all of the questions. You can provide an answer if you already have one in mind, or take a look at the suggestions that it has given to see if that would work best for your particular business. So if you have any questions, you could click on get help from Airstrip.ai and ask help me select the best option, and it will basically ask you follow-up questions, analyze your business, and provide you a final answer that you can provide to this particular document. Okay, so right now the document is created. It's highly personalized, and also it's like a lawyer level document. So in the future, if you want to repurpose this particular agreement but want to change some parts of the document, you can easily do that with our AI bot. So you could basically go over here to the side and say what you want to change in the document, and it will automatically make changes to the document in that specific place accurately. So just go ahead and change the notices part of this document. Say that we also communicate with the client through email and phone. I'll go ahead and click on that, and I'll see what that brings. Okay, so right now it has updated the notices section to also include that we will talk through emails and phone calls. It asked me follow-up questions, I answered them, then it has automatically updated that. So that's for the document. You can also save new versions of the document, as you can see over here. You can save new versions. You can click on save. That'll take some time and save a new version of the document. So you can see version 1, version 2. You can also get personalized and accurate legal assistance for your business. So basically you explain about your situation, and it will give you accurate actionable advice that you can go ahead and implement. You can also simplify your legal documents. So here I have already simplified employment contract. It's not basically a shorter version of a document, but you can understand it more through this version. So that's it for the demo. Whether you're agency who want to use documents constantly, you're sending it out to clients but want it to be loyal, you can use this. or startup who wants to raise investment. So that's it. Let me know your feedback, and thanks for your time for